Hey MJ traders and investors, it's Rod with Power Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth for an MJ Sector review. Today is Thursday, February 25th, and in today's video, the stock of the day is going to be Cronos. So we'll look at some overall sector news and events, and then we'll look at some charting on CRON and the overall Canadian and US sectors. So before we jump in, make sure to smash the like and subscribe to the channel. So we have CRON earnings tomorrow pre-market. So the consensus for Friday, February 26th before market open is negative 0.08 on EPS, and the revenue estimate is 13.23, and this was provided by Seeking Alpha. And if we go over to investing.com, they are forecasting 13.3, so a little higher on revenue, and 0.0751 on the EPS, negative 0.0751. So we'll see how those numbers come in tomorrow. I don't know why everybody is so bullish on CRON all the time and thinks it's a top 3 or top 5 company. I mean, only pulling in 13 million in revenue, that's pretty laughable. Let me know in the comments below if you think CRON is going to miss or they're going to beat on their earnings. We also saw that Innovative Industrial Properties Q4 revenue increases 110% to 37.1 million. But obviously the overall broader market weighed on it today, but provided nice numbers there. Valens Q4 revenue declines 12% sequentially to 16 million. I never liked Valens personally, but you can check out that earnings report. Not a fan of the company at all. I've tried their products, not a fan. So taking a look at CRON. CRON is in a daily downtrend still at this point, and we closed near the low of the day after rejecting at EMA 26. So not a great close here into earnings, and SPY obviously weighing down on the markets. And I mentioned in my videos yesterday that SPY has been very correlated to Tesla, and Tesla has been very correlated to crypto. And today we found out that Elon Musk was being investigated by the SEC over his comments on Dogecoin and in the crypto space. So crypto started to tank, and then we started to see Tesla tank. And then we started to see weakness in the overall broader market, which as a result was a weakness in the Canadian and the US MJ sectors. So until those correlations are no more, we need to be paying attention. So if you're wondering why MJ is down, it's because SPY was down. If you're wondering why SPY was down, it's because Tesla and crypto were down, and we're seeing those correlations pick up. And until they no longer work, we will continue to monitor those and watch for early signals and clues. I can't tell you how many times I've saw crypto or Tesla pull back, and it resulted in a pullback in the market as well. So CRON daily downtrend. We are attempting a higher low here. So if we can form a higher low compared to 1010, see a positive earnings reaction. I don't expect CRON earnings to move the market, the sector, I should say, but we could potentially set a daily uptrend here. So if we break above resistance, which we are at the high of today, 1148, 1149 actually from the high of the previous day. So if we do form a higher low here compared to 1010 and break above 1149, that will confirm a daily uptrend. So we'll see how we react from earnings. And on the hourly chart, we had never really convincingly changed the hourly trend, and same with SPY. Well, with SPY, we had the hourly trend change, but we were looking for hourly higher lows, and we were due for one, and also rejecting at EMA 12 here on CRON. But CRON never convincingly changed the hourly trend, so that's why we were skeptical yesterday, and SPY was overextended and was looking for one. But on the daily time frame on most names, we're in daily downtrends. We are setting up for a potential EMA 12 and 26 bear cross here. But most names just looking to set higher lows on these bounces and save their recent lows for attempt of daily trend changes. So APHA has been one of the lead Canadian bulls, and on the hourly, again, just looking for hourly higher lows. We've got support at 1565 and resistance at 2036. CGC, resistance at 2639 and support at 3145. And we are in an hourly downtrend now with a lower high and lower low. So it looks like daily consolidation is underway on CGC. Yep, we lost the low of yesterday. EMA 12 and 26 bear costs need to hold those key daily supports. So APHA set up better than most. Same with Hexo, still a ways away yet from its support down at 660. But we could be setting lower highs here on the daily. And we've got these equilibriums. So the high, low, lower high, higher low, lower high. And that's the story on most names. CGC notably weaker, likely due to that 2 billion base shelf raise. So on the bull and bear list, we had Tilray, APHA, OGI, Hexo, VFF leading the decline. On the bull list, we had High Tide, RIV, and PCLO. So we'll be watching the correlation to SPY and the correlation to crypto and Tesla as they have been dictating the market. I don't expect the market to crash unless we see crypto crash and set its top. What a good time to be topping out, though. Bitcoin over 50K and SPY at 400. After SPY was just at 218 a year ago and Bitcoin was just at 3,000. 3,000 to 50,000, 218 to 400 sounds like a pretty good place to top out to me in 2021. But again, not financial advice, just my opinion. So pretty much the same thing here in the US sector as well, just searching for daily higher lows. So we need to confirm hourly uptrends. That is the most important. And on the bull and bear list, we had IIPR, MMEN, BAM leading the decline. On the bull list, we had KBEV, KHRN, VREO. So make sure to be watching crypto, the correlations from crypto to Tesla, from Tesla to the overall broader market. Make sure to be keeping an eye on SPY tomorrow. I just did a video on the broader market as well. I do think that we could bounce at these key supports and melt up into stimulus tomorrow. So we'll see whether or not we get approval on that, and make sure that you are watching those correlations until they no longer work, and until those correlations are no longer applied. Then we will continue to go off of that and use them for clues. Like I said, I can't tell you how many times in the last couple of days it has saved me on a lot of trades and gave me early clues. So we'll be watching that very closely going into tomorrow. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you tomorrow for another daily market recap. Take care, everybody.